fixing. Alright guys, 4:30 and we are on the way to Oroville, Thermolito for another fishing trip. Ty and I 4:30. He get at my house like 3:30, yeah, and now 4:30 we are on the way. Okay, we'll let you guys see what we can do today. Hopefully we can catch some salmon and striper too. So this time we've been prepared for bait for striper too. So we got plenty of sardine. Okay, just don't feed the fish like last time, okay dude?
Sardine dick.
Yeah. Alright. We will update with you guys where we how we do today. Alright guys. Alright, on the way. Hell yeah. Okay, first stop, Maryville. Alright man, 4:30 at the gas station for tire. Get ready to pump some gas for the boat. Damn, man.
What are you doing, man? A documentary?
Yeah, documentary. 4:30, yeah. At 4:30 in the morning. Here we go on the duck road. Right now it's 5 o'clock, so still early. We got a way to go, a couple more miles, I guess.
Chico McNallis is mapping us out.
Yeah. Alright, finally we got our rod in. Got this rod with the squirt fish. Quick fish. Okay, finally we got our rod in. Working with the flat fish there. I got this one with the bait fish for striper, and this one is another flat fish with sardine wrap with the tie. We got the wrapped in sardine, and that's where everything is. When everybody in that fast water. There we go. Sun about to rise up. Oh man, mosquito don't like, man, mosquito like crazy guys, shit. Still waiting for fish. See a lot of them rolling around though, but nothing by yet. I heard somebody hooked on the fish. I think there's more people fishing over there today. A lot of people over there at the sun final up. Okay guys, bad weather today. We got raining.
What's up? What's up?
The end of August and we got raining. And all of a sudden the weather just turned raining the other day.
Hoping to see fish jumping everywhere.
We start seeing more fish rolling around, but like I say, dude, this is something weird weather. We don't see it that often in August. Yep. So a little chill, a little rain, and then hopefully we bring more fish in.
Hopefully.
And you guys can see this all the people fishing right there, hardcore fishing in the rain, and they line up there and fish. They've been screaming. A couple of guys got a fish on, landed up there, but not the whole lot. The way I see it, this rain's really coming down, dude. Thunderstorm and everything. Yeah. Very cool there though. But we kind of soaking wet.
Kinda? No.
Yeah. Yeah, we make some new friend today, and he got himself undercover right there. The rain is coming down, guys. Shit, the rain is coming down. Man, toàn bị mưa quá trời. Rain coming down. The charter network got some fish on. You got one fish on. I think they get them with roll down here. Thermolito. Another boat. They got a fish on. They've been playing with it for a while now, all the way from the top though. Tie still. Yeah, we suck. We didn't get any fish yet. Yep. Hopefully that storm going through will bring out more fish. This guy did the first fish we just see this morning. The first fish we see. We heard a couple of people yelling upstream, but don't know how they catching them either. But this guy been playing with it for a while. So maybe this the only action park today, because it don't look like we do so well.
Those guys are with Four Seasons guys.
Yeah.
JJ.
We don't want to appetizing for them. No.
JJ, the captain.
They really work for hard on. They got to keep throwing up and down, up and down. You know what happened, right? You know what happened, right? Alright guys, I think this is this. The storm is coming. Look at the weather. We need to go and hook the fish yet.
Oh, did ya?
Yep. Yep. The storm is coming there, so probably this will be the last if we don't hook or anything. We're gonna get wrapped up and get out of here. So that's the only fish we see. Hooked them on from another boat. They landed below us, but that's the only fish. Nothing much going on today. No striper either. So I think something to do with the weather, huh? The weather change.
No, we suck.
But it's okay. At least somebody's hooked the fish. All right. If we don't hook anything, then we will be wrapped up. All right. Later, guys.